Hi, my dear children. Your Reena teacher is back again to teach you something new, to teach you something interesting, to teach you something different. So, today, Reena teacher is going to tell you a story. But ending you need to predict. I hope you all understood what is prediction we had learned in last class. The same thing we are going to use in a story. So whenever this will be useful to you all whenever you are reading a story or you are watching a movie or somebody is telling you a story, you can predict what can happen. Don't worry if your prediction is right or wrong. Just keep on predicting, which will create interest in you, which will create interest in the story also. Right? So here is the story time. Once upon a time, I will be telling. The end, you have to predict. Are y'all ready? Say yes. Together, yes. Moving on, today I am going to teach you a story about Jonah's whale. Looking at the picture itself, you could predict this story is about a whale and Jonah. Come on, let's see what happened to Jonah. One day, Jonah was going to his friend's place in a ship. Suddenly, a strong wind blew and the ship was about to draw. Jonah fell into the sea and a big whale came and swallowed Jonah. Jonah went into the whale's stomach and he was very afraid and he was panicking. Can you see Jonah inside the whale's stomach? He's sad, look at his face. Yes. Now it's your time to guess what will happen. You need to predict the ending of the story. So before predicting, children, don't forget to use the prediction term. What would happen to Jonah? Think. Okay, if I would predict, I'll say I predict that Jonah will die inside the whale's stomach. It might happen that the fisherman would catch the whale and save Jonah. Come on, try to predict. Say loudly. Come on, let's see what happens to Jonah. The fish, after 3 days, fish vomited Jonah on an island and he stayed there. He was very lucky to be saved, or else he would have died also inside the whale's stomach. So Jonah was lucky and he was vomited by the whale in an island and he started living in the island. So was this story interesting? Did you predict this? I hope you have predicted it. Now it's time for your assessment. I'm going to read and you have to predict and write the answer and send it to me in the WhatsApp. I was very happy to see children sending the assessment in the WhatsApp for the first lesson. I was very happy to see children sending me the rainbows. I was very happy to see the children sending me the answer of Rahul's puppy. Very happy. So whenever you are writing it, write in your notebook and I'll be checking when the school reopens. But don't forget to send me in the WhatsApp. So going to the assignment, I'm reading it. Listen to it carefully. Sally and Sue were playing outside after the school. What a nice day it was, said Sally. The girls decided to take a walk to the park. As they got closer to the park, The sun started to go away, the wind began to blow, and the sky grew dark. What do you predict will happen next? Why do you think that? Try to write both the answer and send it to me. Until then, bye from your Reena Miss. Stay safe, stay sound. We'll miss you and will you meet you soon for the next lesson. Bye bye.